Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will show you how to fix pen drive or OTG not connecting to your smartphone. So first thing is go to the system and here go to the system updates and here click on developer options and here on the USB debugging. If this not work, the second method is go to the settings and here type OTG connection and on the OTG connection. So now remove and replug. Now wait. And here you can see the OTG is connected. So this is a simple video of how to fix pen drive or OTG to your smartphone. So I will be back in next video. So this video like, share, subscribe. Bye.